Click on the link below to see price. Best Inverter Generator 2022. If you're looking for the best inverter generator, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll talk about which is quietest, which is best for camping, and which is best for home backup power. Number 1. The Champion 2000. Champion 2000 using gasoline, produces 2000 starting watts and 1600 running watts. Using propane, it produces 1800 starting watts and 1440 running watts. It's quiet, with an ultra-quiet 53 dB from 23 feet, enjoy 2000 starting watts, 1700 running watts and up to 5 hours runtime on gasoline, and 1530 running watts and up to 34 hours on propane. Good source for home power. Number 2, the WEN 56203i. WEN 56203i ultralight body weighs in at a mere 39 pounds for easy transport and storage. Its extremely quiet operation comparable to the sound of a normal conversation. Number 3, the Generac GP22001. The Generac 2200 starting watts inverter generator is powered by a 79.7 cc 4-stroke OHV gas engine, with inverter technology produce 2200 starting watts/1800 running watts clean power, less than 3% DHD, confidently connect your sensitive electronics such as TV, lights, fan. It's extremely quiet, fuel efficient as low as 58 dB noise output and up to 6 hours of runtime at 50% load on a 1-gallon gas tank, features economy mode for maximum fuel efficiency. Number 4, the Champion 2500. Champion 2500 have a ultra-quiet 53 dB from 23 feet, enjoy 2500 starting watts, 1850 running watts and up to 5 hours runtime on gasoline, and 1665 running watts and up to 34 hours on propane. You can operate your 2500 watt portable generator right out of the box on either gasoline or propane, plus features CO Shield carbon monoxide auto shutoff system. Number 5, the Generac GP22001. Quiet and neighbor-friendly, fully enclosed design dramatically reduces noise levels. True Power technology provides clean, stable power ideal for sensitive electronics, tools, and appliances. Compact and lightweight design with built-in handle makes transportation easy. Click on the link below to see price.